Yummy. The juicy meats, the juicy bird meats and the crunchy fresh veg together taste amazing.
Yeah, and
It's the
healthy.
best combination ever.
Yes. Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel at kami ang Greek Filipino family na nandito sa United Kingdom. So for today's video is kahapon doon sa aming karinderya. So nilutuan ko ang mga anak ko ng Filipino and ginawan ko sila ng Greek food. So kahapon is mix yung food nila, Filipino food and Greek food. So sana magustuhan nyo ang video for today. So, let's all watch this. Good morning, Jackie.
Morning, mommy.
You're going to get ready now.
No,
Get ready. Go to school.
no,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no.
Ready. Okay.
Okay,
Bye-bye. You're going to school now.
bye.
Bye.
Bye, Miss Luck.
Bye.
I found Miss Luck.
Goodbye.
Here.
Pupunta na siya sa eskwelahan. Gusto ko pang matulog ulit may bra.
Bye, Miss Luck.
Mamaya ko nalinisin tong kwarto namin.
Is my hands cold?
Yes.
Come, bye-bye. See you later.
Miss Luck.
Her? Miss Slug?
Yeah.
No, she's mommy.
But she's a slug.
Bye.
Mommy.
Ito na yung minarinate ko para pang barbecue mamaya. So, ang nilagay ko dito is toyo, suka, asin, paminta, garlic powder, at saka onion powder. Ayan, nalagay ko na sa stick yung Filipino style barbecue. So, lalagay na natin dito sa grill. Ayan, so ang nagawa ko is 2, 4, 6, so 6 sticks. Malapit nang maluto yung barbecue natin at saktong-sakto malapit na rin uuwi ang mga anak ko at ito yung pang Greek salad. So ayan, pero walang Greek chili at saka walang onion kasi ayaw ng mga anak ko kumain ng chili at saka onion. So ayan, si Cassie nakauwi na sila. So time for making Greek salad. So ayan na yung lahat. Nilagyan ko ng feta cheese at saka oregano, asin, olive oil at saka lemon. So ayan na yung pork barbecue na Filipino style. So ready na ang pagkain nila. So atin na silang papakainin. So ayan na yung Greek salad na walang Greek chili at saka walang onion kasi ayaw nila. So ayan yung pork Filipino style barbecue. So ayan, kakain na si Cassie at saka si Jackie. Busy ako kanina. May mga customer kasi kaya yan. Naputol yung video. So, do you like the combination of the Filipino food and Greek food? Yeah. Naubos nila yung barbecue. Filipino na barbecue.
Gonna try it together.
Yeah. Jackie, you ate already your barbecue. It's yummy, the barbecue.
No, eat the bar.
What's that?
No, eat bar.
The burn. Okay. Do you like the Greek salad I made for you? Yeah. Ayan o, yung Greek salad malapit at
This
imaubos.
is better than.
Ha?
Food is better than.
It's better than the restaurant. What's your comment about the combination of the Filipino food and Greek food?
Really yummy, and I also have a request.
Yeah.
Can you translate the K-pop Demon Hunters Kimbap?
Buang na.
I
don't know how to do
I
that.
have something to say. I'm really
So, healthy food sa ngayon. Healthy food for today's video. Greek salad.
yummy. The juicy meats, the juicy bird meats and the crunchy fresh veg together taste amazing.
Yeah, and
It's the
healthy.
best combination ever. There's
Yes.
there's no more tomatoes because I took them all. What about if
Yeah.
you try this with the barbecue?
Yeah, eat it together with the barbecue.
I love tomato.
Yeah. Like it. Si Jackie sarap na sarap sa sa pork barbecue, sa Filipino style barbecue. Yeah. So Greek salad and pork Filipino style barbecue. Ubos na ubos. Yeah.
it's a good combo with a creamy, tangy, sour cheese
Yeah.
and the juicy, meaty bird meat.
Yes.
Very healthy.
So, andito na naman kami ngayon sa karinderya as usual. Kasi dito ako nagtatrabaho. Yeah, the Filipino barbecue. So, which one is the better? The Filipino barbecue or Greek barbecue? Or the same? Or both?
Tomato.
Tomato. I'm asking something else. Tomato si mata.
I'm gonna say something great.
What?
This doesn't taste good. This tastes amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
Jackie, you want some more cucumber or you full? Jackie, you want some more cucumber or you full? Yeah. Jackie, you want some more cucumber or you full? Jackie, you don't listen to me. Si Pilya gumawa ng fresh apple juice. Tapos may mga bula-bula.
I'm fine.
You full? Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Go wash your hand.
Thanks for the
Eat it all, okay?
free tomato.
At ayan, maraming salamat sa panunood nyo at sa pagsuporta nyo sa aming vlog for today at sa mga vlog namin before. So maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat at sa mga nag-subscribe na sa amin. So maraming salamat sa inyo. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe our channel and please like and share our videos. So maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. So see you in the next vlog. See you soon. Bye-bye!